going to discuss about the Rohingya issue. Yes, the several times we see in the news, but why in the news? The UN reported an estimated over 400,000 Rohingyas from Myanmar have failed into Bangladesh since August 25, 2017. What is the current issues? Muslim militants in Myanmar attack on security forces in Rakhine State on 25th August 2017. The Arakan Rohingya Salvation Army, in short ARSA, claimed responsibility for the attack. In response, Myanmar military launched the clearance operations to root out ARSA, which led to violence in the border region and mass exodus of Rohingya Muslims into neighboring Bangladesh. Who are Rohingyas? After tracing the Rohingyas' history since 18th century, they speak in dedicated they speak in dialect of they speak a dialect of Bengali as opposed to the commonly spoken Burmese language. Rohingyas are found as stateless Indo-Aryan people from Rakhine State, Myanmar. UN described them as one of the most persecuted minorities in the world. Myanmar nationality law in 1982 denied citizenships to Rohingyas people population, and they are an ethnic group largely comprising Muslim. According to 1982 Burmese citizenship law, Rohingyas are eligible for citizenships only if they provided proof that our ancestors have lived in the country prior to 1823. Else, they are classified as residents, foreigners, or as associate citizens. Implications of Myanmar. The Rohingyas issue is a new challenge to the government of Aung San Suu Kyi after liberation from the military rule. It can affect Myanmar's external relationships, especially with its immediate neighbors, Malaysia. The world community condemned the Myanmar's counter-strike as violence act of civilian government. UN described Myanmar's strategy as ethnic cleansing. Implications of the region. Implication of the region. The Rohingyas crisis is also posing a security challenges to the South and Southeast Asia. It has led humanitarian crisis. The conflict area are facing difficulties to access food and medical care. It poses risk of radicalizations Islamist it poses risk of radicalizations. Islamist extremists can take opportunity to get a foothold in Myanmar. It can also adversely impact the Asia Pacific, the upcoming proposed economic power house. It has further the emergency of new insurgent group Arakan Rohingya Salvation Army. ARSA is an armed guerrilla outfit commanded by Rohingyas in Saudi Arabia. It demands the right to self-determinations within Myanmar. Human trafficking can be least but not the least consequent of the crisis for victims who are trying to escape the violence. It can awaken the Asian organization, the most successful regional organizations after the UE. Implications for India. Indonesia appreciations for legal migrants to India's northeast. Appreciation for affecting India's Kaladan multimodal transmit transport project, which is aimed at developing transport infrastructure in southwest Myanmar and India's northeast. Appreciations of alliance between the ARSA and the insurgent group of northeast India in their struggle for survival. Consequently, it might add a new flavor to ongoing conflict in Northeast. Moreover, ARSA has a definite Pakistani links is again a problem for India. India's balanced approach. Myanmar and Bangladesh both are equally important to India. Countersurgency efforts in Northeast and Act East policy. India stand with Myanmar. India did not criticize the conduct of Myanmar because under the Neighborhood First and Act East policy, Myanmar assumed a key role to connect with Southeast Asia and cut off China from the Bay of Bengal. As per past experience, India's criticism of the military junta in the 80s and 90s had an adverse impact on the bilateral relationship for years. India's criticism to Myanmar can push it closer to China. India stand with Bangladesh too. On the other, India has assured all possibilities help to Bangladesh to tackle the issue. India started operations in Saniyat to resolve the humanitarian crisis in Bangladesh. Due to large influx of Rohingyas refugees, India's support to Bangladesh would also strengthen the Sheikh Hasina government, which is facing domestic backlash by the opposing who is known for taking anti-India stand. Bangladesh is important to India's counter-insurgency efforts and Act East policy. The way forward. Myanmar can lay down the seeds for the solutions along with the help of world community. An international community can give finance aid to the countries who will house the refugee. Kofi Annan. The report by the Annan-led commission, which argue for the citizenship verification process, the Rohingyas have been stripped of citizenship under Myanmar's 1982 citizenship law to increase the social and economic participations of the Rohingyas may offer some useful suggestion. Asia needs to formulate a mechanism to deal with the crisis by equitable distributions of the refugees among member nations.